Pretty cool, huh?
I mean, like a lot.
It's cool to see it with Spaceship Earth in the background too. Oh, yeah. All right, let's do it. So the guy that was helping us,
Yes.
just wanted to make sure that we understand
Yeah.
that we have to wait the whole time, just like everybody else, even though we had individual lightning lanes.
Yes.
But that's just fine because we want to see the whole queue.
Exactly.
Right.
Our world to yours. Welcome to the wonders of Sandar. Still so much for us to discover together as we continue to explore the mysteries of our vast universe. Who knows what dimensions or multiverses we might find? We invite you to discover more of our connected story as you journey through our wonders of Xandar. I am Worldmind. Welcome. Our solar trains run day and night thanks to our nearly endless supply of light. Multiple stations throughout the city take Xandarians everywhere they go. There's also beauty in the design. Notice the complex human in contrast.
Today, we operate the passage course of these. As you might expect, Novacore maintains a strict dress code that reflects each rank.
We're going back, and they grow up so fast, especially when you water them.
It would appear so. So back to my original question, whose idea was it to save Xandar?
It was Will's. He had this half-baked plan, and we saved his butt. End of story. Okay, it was 3/4 baked. But we were all heroes at
I'll be back with more of the Guardians. I would love to hear more about how Terra was chosen for this Wonders of Xandar tour.
Well, that was totally my idea. And EPCOT, too, because I love that place. It's awesome. I went there as a kid, and I cannot wait to get to go back and ride Horizons. Also want to see the energy, Horizons, yeah. And, of course, hear the veggie fruit food. I mean, it's the best.
Okay, well, I'm sure it will be wonderful for you to relive all of those memories again. And it's thanks to the Guardians that Xandar is reaching out to other cultures across the galaxy.
Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Real, commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors and as others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Welcome, people of EPCOT. EPCOTers. EPCOTians. Citizens of EPCOT. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome, EPCOT Terrans. I am Centurion Tal Merrick, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this. Okay, before we begin, I should warn you that we have never teleported Terrans before. But since your molecular structure is very similar to Xandarians, it should work. It'll work. So long as you are standing inside the lighted ring. You do not want to know what happened last time someone did not stand where I told them to, okay? Stand by for teleportation. Here we go. You made it. I mean, of course you did. Nova Prime, they're ready.
Excellent. What you see before you is the Cosmic Generator. And in just a few moments, we'll be activating it so you can experience it for yourself. What's happening?
I'm not sure. Our power's out. And the Cosmic Generator's gone.
Cheerio, Mark. Go to Code Red. Prepare the fleet. And call the Guardians. Now.
There is no cause for alarm. Turn off that alarm. I've got an important transmission coming in.
Hey, what's up, Nova Corps?
Our Cosmic Generator has been stolen. What?
How?
Why didn't we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Good question.
Yeah, who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship.
Oh, that is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime.
I have been watching Terrans for eons.
That's not creepy at all.
This species has failed.
Wait, whoa, we didn't even know there was a test.
He's got the Cosmic Generator. And he's creating a new jump point.
Jump point to where?
Not where. When.
It's some kind of mutant jump point.
It's going back to the dawn of time.
Dawn of time, why?
To erase an error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time
track of that whack job until we get the cosmic generator back. Piece of cake.
Wait! There's cake. Where's this cake?
The odds are impossible,
Yeah.
but it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. I got this.
We're all toast.
First it was cake, now there is toast. This plan is making me so hungry.
Terrence, listen up. You need to make your way to the evacuation shuttles now. We'll follow with the plane if we get our power. I mean, when we get our power back. Oh no, this plan of the Guardians doesn't stand a chance. What? It's still on? What did I just say? You need to tell me when I'm on. Are you Terrence still there? Everything is under control. We're rebooting our subsystems and we'll have the power back soon.
Jump point. This plan is never gonna work.
Rocket!
Well,
Okay, I've locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Good luck. You're gonna need it.
Stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we're jumping back.
How are we meeting? Well, it's working on it. I'm almost getting better. I think. Yeah. That ride is always a little nerve-wracking. Yes. It always makes us a little nervous. Yes. It's very exciting though. All right. It's very thrilling. Yes. But it also makes us feel a little queasy, doesn't it? Yes. Yeah. All right. I'm glad we did though. That was really fun. Yeah, we did. Yeah, we did. And we got a good song. Mm-hmm.